Many people want a simple way to organize their money. Something clear, something practical, something that removes confusion. Because for many people, managing money feels more complicated than it should. Income arrives, bills appear, spending happens, savings are attempted, and many people are left wondering whether they are actually managing their money well. If you enjoy calm, practical insights about money that you can apply immediately, consider subscribing to the channel. One of the most widely used frameworks in personal finance is called the 50-30-20 rule. 3 numbers: 50, 30, 20. Together, they create a simple structure that helps people understand where their money is going and how it should be organized. Stay with me for a moment. The rule divides income into 3 categories: 50%, 30%, 20%. Each category represents a different role that money plays in everyday life. Let us begin with the first category, 50%. This portion is used for necessities: housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance. These are the essential expenses required for everyday living. Without them, daily life simply does not function. Now let us move to the second category, 30%. This portion is used for lifestyle choices: dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, travel, convenience. These are not required expenses, but they improve quality of life. They allow money to support experiences and enjoyment. Now we reach the final category, 20%. This portion is directed toward the future: savings, investments, debt reduction, long-term financial goals. This category quietly builds financial stability over time. Pause for a moment and notice something important. The rule does not attempt to control every dollar. Instead, it provides structure: 50% for necessities, 30% for lifestyle, 20% for the future. 3 clear roles, 3 clear purposes. That clarity alone can remove a surprising amount of financial confusion. Stay with me for a moment. Many people struggle with money not because they lack income, but because they lack structure. Without structure, spending decisions happen randomly. Bills compete with spending. Spending competes with saving. And long-term goals often receive whatever money remains, if anything remains at all. But when money follows a simple framework, priorities become clearer. Necessities are covered, lifestyle remains flexible, and the future continues moving forward. That balance is what makes the rule useful. Now it is important to understand something. The 50-30-20 rule is not a strict law. Different incomes, different locations, different responsibilities. All of these factors influence how money is actually spent. For some people, necessities may take more than 50%. For others, the numbers may shift in different ways. But the value of the rule is not perfection. The value is awareness. It encourages people to notice how their income is actually being used. And once awareness appears, better decisions usually follow. Over time, that awareness improves financial behavior. Saving becomes intentional. Spending becomes clearer. And financial progress becomes easier to see. Before we close, one final thought. Most financial improvement does not begin with complicated strategies. It begins with simple structure. When money has clear roles, financial decisions become easier to manage. And when decisions become easier, consistency becomes possible. And consistency is what ultimately builds financial progress. If this episode helped simplify how you think about organizing your money, share your thoughts in the comments. If you want practical financial insights, you can apply immediately. Subscribe to the channel. This is Money Decoded. Money without the noise. Do you currently follow a budgeting structure? Or does your income flow freely without a clear framework? Because understanding money clearly is the first step toward using it wisely. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.